Okay children, continuing further with exercise 9.1 on page 193 of your textbook for data handling. Question number 6 till 5 we had solved yesterday. 3 and 4 were given in your homework and hopefully they are clear to you. Now coming on to the next pictograph. See, pictograph can be of two types. One, the pictures what already have been given drawn in your textbook, and second, where you have to draw the particular symbols using the following number of sequences given. See, this is here you can find it out the pictures of bulb. Now we are going to see the question of that. Question number 6 already had drawn and we have to answer the questions. But in the next, in exercise 9.2 you have to draw as well as answer after drawing the pictograph. Okay, coming on to question number 6, I go through the sum. The sale of electric bulbs on Friday on different days of a week is shown below. Now observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. I will go one by one. The very first thing, the most important in a pictograph, you have to find out the figure given or the picture given. Picture of a bulb is given and there they had written that one picture or one figure of a bulb is equal to how many bulbs? 2 bulbs. So first of all, what you will do? You will count out the number of pictures given. For Monday they had given 6. So total bulbs will be 6 into 2. Why 2? Because one picture of a bulb is equal to 2 bulbs. So 6 into 2, total 12 bulbs. For Tuesday there are 8. So 8 into 2, 16 bulbs. For Wednesday there are 4. So 4 into 2, 8 bulbs. For Thursday there are 5. So 5 into 2, 10 bulbs. For Friday there are 7 pictures of a bulb. So 7 into 2, 14 bulbs. Saturday again 4. So 4 into 2, 8 bulbs total. And Sunday is having maximum number of bulbs, that are 9 bulbs. 9 into 2, 18. So total of all the bulbs together will be 86. That I will come later on to that part. But here the very first question is seeing the pictures given in the pictograph. How many bulbs were sold on Friday? We want a particular day sales of the bulbs. So pictures are given 7 of bulb and into 2, because one picture consists or carry 2 bulbs. So 7 into 2 is equal to 14 bulbs. Right? On which day, second question, that is B, on which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? So they were sold on Sunday. Why? Because maximum pictures drawn were in Sunday of bulbs. There are 9. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18 bulbs. They had given for one picture 2 bulbs. So total 9 pictures into 2, 18 bulbs were sold. They were maximum on Sunday. On which days same number of bulbs were sold? So there are 2 days, Wednesday and Saturday, where in Wednesday also 4 pictures are given and Saturday also 4 pictures are given of bulbs. So 4 into 2, 8 bulbs. On which days minimum number of bulbs were sold? On again Wednesday and Saturday, because they both are having the same pictures, 4 pictures of bulb into 2 is equal to 8 bulbs. Now here you need to understand somewhat, it's easy. If one big carton means a box, can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartons were needed in the given week? Now children, wherever the picture is given, the picture symbolizes here that one bulb is equal to, that picture of one bulb is equal to 2 bulbs. So the picture drawn, you can see I had multiplied by 2 in each and every answer. So now what you will do? Monday, the pictures of bulb are 6 into 2, total 12 bulbs. Tuesday, 8 pictures into 2, 16 total bulbs. Wednesday, 4 into 2, total 8 bulbs. Thursday, 5 into 2, total 10 bulbs. Friday, 7 into 2, total 14 bulbs. Saturday, again 4 into 2, total 8 bulbs. And Sunday, 9 into 2, total 18 bulbs. So from Monday to Sunday, you have to add all the total number of, add all the bulbs, number of bulbs, and the total bulbs for a week are 86 bulbs. Now, if one carton, means one box can hold 9 bulbs, we can keep 9 bulbs in one carton. So we have 86 bulbs with us. Total bulbs are 86. So how many cartons will be needed? So when you divide 86 by 9, right, the answer is 9.5. But I cannot keep 9.5. So what you will do, after point I have 5. So you will add 1 into 9, right? If after decimal point you have 5 or more than 5 number, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, what you will do, in the whole number you will add 1, that is plus 1. So 9 plus 1 becomes 10. So total 10 cartons were needed to pack 86 bulbs. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now I further proceed with pictograph and exercise 9.2. Now listen here, before going on to 9.2, what do you understand, what do you mean, or how you understand pictograph? See, pictograph means itself gives a definition. Pictograph is related to pictures. So a pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. One part we had already seen in 9.1 where pictograph is given, that is pictures were drawn already and we have to answer the question. Coming on to second, where we have to draw the pictograph, that is pictures we have to draw as well as we have to answer the questions.